Okay, now that I've reminded you how we compare fractions, how you can use number lines or models to compare fractions, I want you to try it. Notice that I've used my grid paper. The problems for this rotation are going to be on grid paper because it's easiest to be able to compare fractions when you're doing a number line. Use the lines that are here for you, okay? Don't be going like this for your number line. Does that make any sense? No. What you want to do is you want to use the line that's there, okay? And make this line your 0 and this line your 1, okay? Use the lines that are provided. It helps the messy people like myself make their number lines a little bit neater. It's easier to compare when we do that. So on the graph paper, I'm going to give you problems like this. And you have to figure out if 1/3 is greater than or less than 3/4. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to make your number line. Let's see. I decided to use 4 blocks because I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to make 3/4 down here. I'm going to make 1/3 up here. So my denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4. My numerator, 1, 2, 3. Now what's wrong with that? There are no labels. This is 0, this is 1, and what's that spot? It's 3/4. So let's label it correctly. Now I have to label my top one, 0 and 1. Can I use the lines perfectly for this one to divide into thirds? No, I'm just going to have to do my best. So 3 is hard for me. Maybe like that. Let's see how I did. 3 equal? 1, 2, 3. It's definitely 3, and they're kind of closest to equal, so I did my best on that. Now let me hop over 1. 1. So here's my spot that I label 1/3. If you want, go ahead, use your highlighter. You're like, okay, which of these, this or this, is closer to the 1? Is this one closer or this one? 3/4 is closer to 1 whole. So that means 3/4 is greater, which means I have to say it correctly. 1/3 is less than 3/4, greater than 3/4, or equal to. It is less than. So I'm going to give you fractions in a circle. You're going to have to decide if they're less than, greater than, or equal to. And you're going to have to show your work. I'm going to write it right on there. Show work. How? With a number line. All right? Hopefully my pen will work when I'm writing your paper. Okay? Show your work on a number line to compare the fractions that I give you on the paper. Don't forget to put your name on.